Hey guys, my name is Jin and today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a beautiful business signature just like this for your emails. So let's dive straight in. So I'll add the link in the comments, but we're going to this website, hubspot.com, and the full link is going to be in the comments in the description. Here, just click anywhere on the screen. And let's start creating our template. So I selected template 1, then you go into letter A, the second tab, and enter all of your details. My name is Gintare, surname, job title, department, if necessary, company name, phone number, office phone number. I don't have office phone number. I'm going to just enter my regular phone number, website URL, your email address, make sure it's your business email address. I'm not gonna add my personal home address in there. Your social media links, so I've got my LinkedIn. I'm gonna add Facebook link. Twitter, I don't use Twitter. Instagram. And then custom field if you need one. I'm gonna leave this up without anything. Let's go to the brush field and you can select the theme color. So I'm gonna go in Canva. I strongly recommend using Canva. I literally use it for all the content creation. I've got my brand colors in there, so I can go and grab it straight away. Maybe I'm gonna use this darker one in this case. And now let's go to the brush tool and I'm gonna here just select my brand colors, font type. You can choose whatever you want from these that are available. Font size, you can amend that. Once you're happy, you can go into the picture, load. Okay, so the profile picture, ideally you want to have uploaded on your website so that you can have a URL of it. So let me show you how you can do it. Once you log into your dashboard, just go to media, upload, add new. I click add new. Select your image that you wish to upload. Click open. And once it's uploaded, you can just click on it and here you will have file URL. So that's what I need to add in the signature. Profile picture. You may see it straight away comes up. Now company logo if you wish. I'm gonna see if we have company logo uploaded and I'm gonna just take and just do the same thing if you haven't got your logo uploaded on your website. So I'm just gonna add the link. You can see what it looks like. You can add call to action as well. So I can say book consultation with Jin. And you can have a custom URL. So I'm gonna go to my website and just take the link. Paste it. Select the color again. I'm gonna take the color from Canva and I'm gonna enter my color in here. And maybe I'm gonna change the call to action into capital letters. Look, consultation with Jin. Me now. Maybe that's better. And there you go. If you're happy with this, you can scroll down and click create image. Once that's ready, copy signature and go to your Gmail. Then go to your Gmail settings or whatever provider you're using. It's in general settings on Gmail. So if you scroll down, you will see signature. You can click create new signature name. So just call it whatever you want to call it, so you can recognize it. And here I'm just gonna paste the signature. And you see it's there. Have a look into it. I don't want this one to be here, so I'm just gonna delete this part. And everything else looks good. So I'm gonna scroll down, mark signature defaults, jin@empoweredwebsites.com. For new email use, it has to be Empowered Websites, and for forward as well, the same signature. Scroll down and click Save Changes. And now let's test it. Compose email. I'm gonna choose jin@empoweredwebsites.com, and you see the beautiful email is there. Thank you so much for listening and learning together with me. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Make sure you subscribe for the future videos and resources that will help you on your entrepreneurial journey. Can't wait to see you in the next videos. Take care.